How to generate Amazon affiliate link. To generate Amazon affiliate link for a certain product so that you can share them, and when someone buys that product using your link, you will earn a certain amount of commission. Now for this, first of all, make sure you are on affiliateprogram.amazon.com and logged into your Amazon affiliate account. Once you've done that, on the next tab you can just head over to amazon.com and go to any product page that you want to sell, right? So if you want to get the Amazon affiliate link for this particular product, you should not copy this link at the URL. This is not our link. So to get our own unique Amazon affiliate link, you should be able to see this particular banner at the top of the search bar and below the address bar that says SiteStripe for Amazon Associates. This will only show up if you're logged in on the main associate website. Once you're here, you can say get link in a text format, right? So you can just click on this text format right here. Here you can see text link created below. Copy the generated link and paste it into your website or wherever else. So just go ahead and copy this link. Now you have generated the link. If you want the full link, you can see the full link here. If you want a shortened link, you'll be able to find the shortened link and paste it wherever else it is. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.